Welcome to Learning Kids channel.
Can you guess what I am drawing? Yeah, it's a special and magical unicorn drawing. Hey kids, how many of you like this beautiful unicorn? I like it very much. Do you know some facts about them? I know some of them. Shall I share? Let's get started. Unicorns are magical horses with one shiny horn on their forehead. Their horn is called an alicorn and it has special powers. The alicorns can heal sick animals and make water sparkle. See how magic it is? Unicorns are very kind and gentle, as you all are kids. They only appear to good-hearted and harmless people and kids like you. Unicorns love rainbows, clouds and starry skies. Their favorite colors are pink, purple, blue and gold. A unicorn mane can change colors when it is very happy. When unicorn runs, they leave sparkle footprints. Unicorns live in hidden forest and magical valley. They love eating sweet fruits and rainbow grasses. Unicorns can fly in dreams. Even if they don't have wings, they protect nature and keep the forest safe. Unicorns are symbols of magic, hope and kindness. Our unicorn is ready now. Let's make this unicorn more colorful. Hey kids, how is my drawing? Do you like it? If you like my drawing, story and coloring, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Welcome to Learning Kids channel. Let's draw a cute unicorn with kitty drawing. Let's make this drawing more colorful. Hey kids, you finished your drawing, right? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.